Hey guys, this is Satyajit Pattnaik and welcome back to my channel. This is my first vlog in my channel and many of you have been requesting about showing my house. This video is all about my house tour. So let's get started guys. So this is how my house looks like from the main entrance. This is the kitchen, my room and my bedroom. So we'll start from my bedroom itself and then we will slowly go ahead with the other rooms. So this is my bedroom, my master bedroom. A little bit messed up, but it's okay. And this is a view from my master bedroom. Let me just walk off and you can see beautiful mountains, a tennis court. Sorry, it's not a tennis court, it's a football court. And there are so many playground for people. There is a skating board over here and this is how it looks like. And you can see. Now, from the master bedroom, of course, this room is quite small. As you, I'm not sure if you know or not, but Hong Kong is quite known for a very high accommodation cost. The costing over here for accommodation is very high, and this flat is quite small. But as compared to Hong Kong's criteria, as compared to Hong Kong standard, this is quite well. It's still like 700 square feet, but you can just do your research on Hong Kong's accommodation. It's one of the most expensive in the world. My previous house was even smaller than this, but finally we have come to a bigger house, and of course it's just me and my wife, so it's quite okay for us. And this is the view, and this is the place where I spend the most of my evening. Not most, but somewhere around 1 hour or 2 hours, sitting here having coffee and something else. So this is the view. Let me give you a view of the playground and all those things. This is how my apartment looks like. So big, so big. It's a 63 floor apartment, and there are a bunch of apartments nearby to it, like 16 towers connected with each other. This is my main room, or the front room, whatever you can call it. These are some of my arts being done by my wife. All this work has been done by her. She has got all this stuff. This is a very small bar which we have, a very small bar. We have so many things over here. Some even I don't know the names of all these kind of things, but I believe this is a wine, this is a something 32%, 35% alcohol. This is a gin, whiskey. All these things are there. Anyways, it's a small bar, just prepared in case some of my friends come here. They can have some good time here. This is my sofa. We don't have a TV, unfortunately, but I do have monitors, so whenever I watch anything, I just watch it in my monitor. Let me just close it off because there's a lot of noise coming in. Now I'll take you through my room later on. Let me go through the kitchen first. Again, kitchen is not that well maintained, but it's like little bit messy, but it's okay. These are the washed utensils, so don't worry about it. And this is how my kitchen looks like. Enough space is there, enough space, and of course some fridge and some washing machine, something are there. And these are some of the glasses. Okay, this is how my kitchen looks like. Let me walk you through. This is my shoe rack, filled up with all my wife's shoes. And then I'll quickly walk you through the washroom. So this is how my washroom looks like. This is me, and yeah, one of my plant had died, so we have kept it here, so we'll be throwing it off. And this is how it is. You can see a lot of stuffs, a lot of my wife's makeup stuffs. I don't even know names of all these kind of things as well, but anyways, now let me take you to my room, which is my recording room, my study room, whatever you can call. This is my room. Let me just turn on the lights. These are all my items. Most of my items are here, and most of my wife's items are in the other master bedroom wardrobe. And these are all my stuffs. This is my light, which I use it quite often. This is my monitor, this is my headphone, this is my mic, this is my keyboard, my mouse pad, my mouse, Logitech G403, my mini fan, which I use when I don't have to use the AC sometimes. And this is my chair. I love playing Valorant. You can see this pad is by Valorant. I love playing Valorant. So that is the reason, with context to pad, I have bought this chair a couple of days or couple of weeks back. These are all my setup, guys. I hope everybody knows about this thing. This is just a setup, and I place it over here so that I can have my green screen, because most of the times when I'm doing recording, some course recordings and all those things, so I do my green screen setup here. And yeah, I mean, that is it. So this is how I do all my stuffs. And yeah, some mess around here, don't look at it. This is my old laptop, and this is my view from my room. I hope everybody has seen this view while attending my classes or while attending some webinars. You might or might not have seen this. People who follow me, people who are my students, they might have seen this. And if you haven't seen this, anyways, you're going to see this particular video, right? And yeah, this is my stuff. Yeah, a small setup. Let me just close this off. Some personal things are mentioned. Yeah, that is all about it. I'm not going to show my wardrobe and all those things. It's quite messy, but this is how my room looks like. Not big, but more than enough for me. And yeah, that is all about it. So giving you a final look, these are some of the cakes which are here. Today is a Mid-Autumn Festival in Hong Kong. It's a Chinese festival. Because of that, we have got a lot of gifts from my wife's company. And yeah, this is all about. Some other day, I'll also take you through my entire society. There is gym, there is tennis court, badminton courts, a lot of things are there. So I'm also planning to do some vlogs in the near future. That's it from my side, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed my house as well. And especially you enjoyed the view as well. That's it from my side, signing off. If you have any requirements or anything you want me to do, some sort of vlog ideas, I want to definitely do it. Give me some ideas in the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe my channel. And that's it from my side, signing off. Bye bye.